YouTube channel, and if you are new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shuchetana and I make content related to beauty, makeup and lifestyle. And if you are interested, please take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the notification bell just next to it so that you don't miss any update. And now let's move on to the video. So welcome to yet another tutorial. I love making tutorials and today this look turned out so well. You all can see that I'm a little bit into silver eye look these days because I have also created another silver eye look. If you haven't watched it, I'll link it here. You can go and watch it. And today also I created this silvery eye look along with a popping inner corner and with a very dark, vampy, bold, grungy lip shade, which I personally love. And yeah, this is the look. And if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So first of all, I will use my favorite primer, that is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Primer. And then I will apply my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Now I will apply the Myglamm Pose HD Banana Powder. So I have done my brows off camera and now I will move on to the eye makeup. For eye makeup today I am using this Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette in the variant 05. Just look at how gorgeous this palette is. I have got this little recently and I'm in love with this palette. So what I'll do is first I'll take this light brown shade to use it on my crease as a transition shade. Next I'm taking this darker brown shade and I will apply it only on the outer corner of my eyelid. And I will also apply this on my lower lash line. So next I will apply this Swiss Beauty Mousse eyeshadow in the number 03 Silver, and I'll be using this for the first time. I have got this free once while I was shopping from Purple. So yeah, I'll use it today and I'll use my finger to see how the pigmentation goes on. Wow. Now I'm also using my brush. Next I'm applying kajal, and for that I'm using Stay Quirky Badass Kajal. Next I will pop some glitter on my inner corners. For that, not really glitter, like I'll put the liquid eyeshadow. This is also from Swiss Beauty and I will just use this on my inner corners, and I'm using my brush to do that for a precise application. This is how it's looking. We'll finish off the eye look with a thick coat of mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Let's look at the difference. Now for the face, I will use the Myglamm Pose HD Blush Duo. It's a beautiful blush. and this is how it looks. It has 2 shades, so I'm thinking of using the peach shade today, the coral one. And for highlighter, I'm not experimenting much. I'll use my most favorite Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder, and that is in the shade Precious Petals. It's beautiful. Now it's time for the lipstick, and the lipstick is going to be the game changer. I'm using this shade from the Faces Canada All Time Pro Intense Matte Lips Plus Primer range. I don't know why I'm fumbling so much today. So this is in the shade Nutshell. It's a very unique lip shade, and that is going to be the highlight point of this makeup look, maybe I can say. So yeah, I'll apply this one. So yeah, this is the lip shade, and I'm in love with how this look turned out. I hope you guys liked it too. So I'm also wearing these earrings, which I'm in love with. So yeah, this is the finished look. So that was it about today's video. I created this makeup look, and I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends and family. That would mean a lot to me. You can follow me on Instagram as well. I post a lot of content on Instagram, so I'll put the link of my Instagram handle in the description below. You can check it out from there and follow me on Instagram as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and lots of love. Bye.